Hey guys, welcome to Driving Fish. Today in this video we're going to unbox Boya BY-M1 microphone, and I'm going to show you how to identify a genuine Boya microphone because I've got this from a trustable seller. Apart from microphone, I've even got Apple Lightning to headphone adapter, so I'm going to connect this with Apple iPhone 11. Come on, let's dive in. First, let's open this Lightning to headphone adapter. Packing is similar to other Apple accessories. So this is our Lightning to headphone adapter. The quality is very nice. Apart from adapter, there's a small document inside. Before we unbox, let's find whether this Boya is genuine or not. To find that, all you need to do is take a drop of water and rub it on this hologram. In case if the logo disappears, then this is a genuine one, and then the logo comes back when the sticker is dry. Alternatively, scan this QR code and find if it is genuine or not. Now let's see what's there in the box. This mic comes in a nice pouch. This is the user guide and warranty card. This mic has got 20-foot long wire, so you can walk wherever you want. You can use this mic with a smartphone, a DSLR camera, or even you can connect it to PC. You don't need any special adapter in case you're going to connect it to an Android device. So this is the 6.5 mm in case you're going to connect it to a mixer. Now let's install the battery in the battery compartment. Now let's plug into our Lightning adapter. The clip looks very strong. Now we have connected our Boya microphone to iPhone 11, and if you haven't watched unboxing video of iPhone 11, please click the card above. Please share the feedback of the sound quality in the comment section below, and if you like this video, click the subscribe button for more videos like this, and don't forget to hit the bell icon for future notification. We'll be posting one video every week, so stay tuned. Bye.